So Brian, how was the party last night?
Oh, the party was great. I had a good time. Good stuff.
I hate to ask you this, but did you take part in any drinking of some sort?
No, Dad, I did not take part in any drinking. We've had this discussion many, many times.
All right, good. Good, that's good. I just want to let you know, Brian, that well, if you drink at any point in time, feel free to call me. I will pick you up.
I got it, Dad. You know I'm not going to drink and drive. We've had this discussion a million times. Just go do something. Whatever you do.
I just wanted to let you know.
All right. Good talk, Dad.